Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I managed to make it in one piece through the snow. Attached to this video will be pictures of my horses romping around in the snow. Actually, it's really pretty bad, but here in Nebraska, it's quite worse. My hope today is, after having Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off, that we can try and ride somewhat, although there is a whole lot of snow melt that is going to be going on here for the next few weeks. So, welcome back to the video in the channel, and stay tuned. I have lessons Monday and Friday this week. It is spring break, so plenty of time to get stuff done, and nothing like a little cardio shoveling to help get ready for shows. All right, it's now like 5 o'clock, and I'm feeding. This is what the inside of their loafing shed looks like. That's what my yard looks like. It never fills up this much. But if you can hear that is the wind over there, the horses somewhere. It's a little breezy out here, to say the least. This is what it sounds like under the pen. This is what the horses look like. It is super windy.
Shoulder in right. Yep, good, fine, doesn't matter. And then instead of going back into the canter, bring her back into a collected trot and maintain the shoulder in. Because what she's falling out of is the collection. Does that make sense? Yep. So the correction isn't on the gait, the correction's on the collection. Good. Half halt, half halt, half halt, good. Good, that's better. That's better. Now come across the diagonal and ride to the change. Good, so you'll think about riding the shoulders to the right, move the shoulders to the left, and change. Beautiful. And then next quarter line, shoulder in left. Good, I love that in the neck, and I love that she wants to drop her neck down like that. Good. Good, flatter in the neck. There, nice. Yep, flatter in the neck. Give on the right rein a little bit. Yep, supple the right and give. Good. Good. Good, nice, Lynn. I love this. And then see if you can get the neck even flatter in front of you. There, beautiful. And then start to play now with some tempo changes in the trot with the neck like that you can bring it back. Yeah, good, exactly. You can bring it back and send it on. You can bring it back and send it on. And she stays that adjustable and that supple in the neck and the jaw for you. Yeah, good. And bring that back, supple the jaw. There, good. That flat in the neck, even lower if you can. Good, even lower so that you can supple that now left side of her jaw and say, okay, sister, you can step through your body here. Yep, there we go. We're not going to spook it, whatever that is. There, good. Even more supple on the left side. Good, even more supple. Yes, good. Good, and bring that back. Good. Good. Yep, exactly. I want you to think above the bit. Good, think above the bit. Good, that she pulls you along here in this frame. And it's not going to feel as nice to sit. That's normal. Good. Keep her above the bit, above the bit, above the bit, even higher, even higher, even higher. Good, even higher. Yeah, good. Even higher. And then you're going to shorten your reins a little bit more and ride out to that connection. There, good. Now with her neck up here, press the trot. Yeah, good. And then with her neck up here, bring the trot back. Think neck up, ears up. Good. Neck up, ears up. Good. This time you're going to keep her that up and you're going to post. You're going to post a little bit higher and stay up there. Good. And bring her back. And then through the short side, post and push her forward. There, good. And then you're going to push again. So all the way now through this long side. Yep, good, fine, doesn't matter. Bring her back, keep the ears up. You're just going to talk to her about her balance. That's all it is. It's just a conversation about the balance. There, good. And press this forward. Yes, Lynn, good job. Good. And press that forward again. You're going to take it a little bit to the edge and see how much we can get her to push. Good, and go. Yeah, good, fine, doesn't matter. Good, I love this trot. And then push this again. Yeah, fine, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. Exactly, and I love how you're following her to the connection when she comes above the bit. Yeah, good. And bump both legs. Yeah, good. And bring this back. Good. And change direction, and across the diagonal, you're going to bump her and send her on.
Sitting or posting?
Let's go posting. There, good. And go. Yes, good job. And bring it back. Nice in the trot. And now down this long side, press this trot forward. There, good. And then through the short side, press this trot forward. I love the frame. Good, and then down the long side, press this trot forward. There, good, and press again. Bump both legs. I want you to think bump and half halt. Yes. Good job, bump and half halt. Good, and she's plenty round. You'll see it in the video too. Good, and bump and go. Bump and half halt. Yeah, good. Good, and then bring this back on your seat. There, beautiful trot. Not a warm blood my ass. There, good.